Om Namah Shivaya to everyone and very welcome to all of my friends in Panditji Smart Classes. Today the topic we are going to have is very core and basic, through which you could understand almost whole geography of Chhattisgarh. I am talking about physiographic division of Chhattisgarh. Yes, if you just keep going on this topic very sincerely, you won't be having any complexity or confusion regarding the geography of Chhattisgarh. But before going to jump into this topic, I would like to share one thing. This entire class is going to be dedicated to all my English medium students who really suffer and bear difficulties in understanding the terminology used in Hindi language. So this class is to be delivered in your language and without any hindrance or any disruption. Just put your whole concentration and consciousness on grasping the content and concept only, not to be having any disturbance over the language compulsion. So I'll try to iron out any kind of that problem or any confusion regarding the lecture. So let's try to begin it out and just Sri Ganesh it. Today our topic is what? Physiographic division of Chhattisgarh. What the topic is? Physiographic division of Chhattisgarh. Okay, this is the today's topic, physiographic division of Chhattisgarh. Okay, just let's try to decode this topic. Division means something has to be divided. Okay, something has to be divided, but what has to be divided? Okay, the question is arisen. CG Chhattisgarh. Okay, the question is arisen here that what has to be decided? Then Chhattisgarh has to be divided. In what manner? Geographically. Okay, geographically Chhattisgarh has to be divided, okay, in different parts. So let's be having one map over here. Okay, something okay now okay, this is our lovely Chhattisgarh. Now what we learned here earlier, that this Chhattisgarh has to be divided geographically, okay, in different parts. Now let's divide it this one. Okay, just let's have the overview of division of this Chhattisgarh. Okay, and later on we'll take every separated division one by one, okay, with full detail. This is first one, second, third, and this is fourth one. First, second, third and fourth. That means in how many parts it can be divided? First your that question is, then answer is 4. Okay, just you need to remember this fact that in 4 parts it has to be divided. Okay, our Chhattisgarh map. Okay, this is first one, second, third and fourth. Now let's have the name of all these separated part, that division. This is first plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand. What the topic is? What the name of it? That plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand. Second one is Part region. Okay, Part region. As you are seeing this portion on the board, that is the largest one. Okay, this is the largest part of your that division. So this is called Mahanadi Basin. Okay, it will be called what? Mahanadi Mahanadi Basin. Okay, Mahanadi Basin, this is the largest, okay, part of your that complete division. Southern part, okay, it is also appearing very apparently, that is seeing that what, this is the second largest, what is called it, Dandakaranya. Dandakaranya region. Okay, so you need to mug up all this division, okay, and each division will be having the different features, geographical features also. This is the first part, plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand, okay. This one, this portion is plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand, okay, and the eastern, sorry, something, the technical glitch, something is okay, and the eastern part of your Chhattisgarh, that is called what, Part region, and the largest one, this one is what, Mahanadi Basin, okay, and the southern part of your Chhattisgarh, and southern part of your Chhattisgarh, what is called Dandakaranya region, okay. You already might have heard this that word Dandakaranya in Ramayana also, okay. So this is the Dandakaranya region, Mahanadi Basin, plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand, and the eastern part of your Chhattisgarh, what will be called Part region, okay. Now we already completed this that division part, okay. Let's have another that map here. Okay, we already seen what, the division, okay, the different division of our Chhattisgarh geographically. Now let's have the separate area of this all different division, okay. This is first part, plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand. What the total area of this plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand? 21,863. Okay, you need to just mug up all this square kilometer, okay, that has to be remembered also, okay. Now the second part, (6,208). This is the largest part, we already earlier that studied here. 68,064, okay. And now the southern part, your that fourth part, Dandakaranya region, okay. The total area of your southern part, Dandakaranya region, is what, 39,060. Now if you just remember all this, that data, that just you add, complete this that all separated data here, okay, okay. But just before reading it on, what we'll do, that in order to just arrange all these separated that area, okay, according to the area wise, in that condition, which will be that largest one, 68,064, Mahanadi Basin, Mahanadi Basin, okay. This is the largest first part. Now second, the second largest, what is 39,060. This is the Dandakaranya Basin, okay, Dandakaranya Basin. Okay, Dandakaranya Basin. Third part, which one? That plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand. So plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand. And now the fourth one is what? Okay, the smallest division of this physiographic division is what? Part region. actually automatically that has got changed. Now just you get all this data added, okay, added here, and then what you will be getting here? Okay, 4, 3 plus 7 and 8, 15. 5. Okay, that will carry 1, 6, 1, 7, 7. Okay, so if you just calculate all this one, 1,35,195. Okay, you'll be getting the exact area of what? The entire Chhattisgarh, area of entire Chhattisgarh. And what it is? You know it very well. 1,35,194 or 5. Okay, it could be some extent that you could be that it could be written here that 194 and 195 also. Okay, it depends on the given the objective in your that given exam also. So what the total area? 1,35,194. Okay, what we earlier that calculated all this that separated data, and then that will give you what? 1,35,194. That is exactly, that is the exact area of your Chhattisgarh. Okay, so you need to remember this figure also. Okay, now let's jump to the first topic. What it is? We already earlier that is studied here. This one, Plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand. Okay, Plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand. One by one. Okay, we'll see it very thoroughly. Just first this part, Plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand. Okay, then we'll jump into that part region, and after that we'll come down to that Mahanadi Basin, and in last one we'll go to that Dandakaranya region. Okay, so let's catch the first that division. What it is? Plateau of Eastern Baghelkhand. Okay, this is our first topic. Okay, first division. Okay, and just know it that Eastern Baghelkhand. Okay, if I just talk about that Eastern Baghelkhand, in that case, okay, this portion is your Eastern Baghelkhand. Okay, this is this okay, this portion is what? Eastern Baghelkhand. But don't get confused. Okay, just in the name of that Eastern Baghelkhand. Okay. Okay, just you put that this area, your that this is the northern western, okay, northwestern side, this portion. So what we are just having on the hand, this topic, Eastern Baghelkhand. So let's go to the genesis of this naming. In such case, just tell me what I'm making here. What is this? This is the mother state of our Chhattisgarh. Okay, and this portion, what it is? This is our lovely Chhattisgarh, incredible Chhattisgarh. Okay, so this portion, okay, actually that Eastern Baghelkhand, but just you need to just find out that actual that Baghelkhand plateau, where it is, the complete extension is in this area, okay, in this portion. So in such case, that mainly that is extended here in Madhya Pradesh, okay, but definitely that is carved out, this portion, okay, that has been carved out of Madhya Pradesh, and now it's become the new state Chhattisgarh, okay, you know it very well. So if you just carved out that, then in that case the extension must be there also. So this portion, if you just take the direction north, west, east and south, okay, okay, north, west, south and east. In such case, definitely, okay, you'll have to have the name of this eastern, okay, eastern Baghelkhand. This is your that complete Baghelkhand, and now this portion is east side, so it will be called what? That eastern Baghelkhand, okay. That's why we call it what? Eastern Baghelkhand. Now let's jump to that eastern Baghelkhand. Plateau of eastern Baghelkhand, before just we come to discuss this topic, that has to be divided also in different part, okay. In how many parts? That 5 parts. But in 5 parts, just okay, first you just get the name of it. Okay, I'm just taking the division of what? That plateau of eastern Baghelkhand. First part is your Chang, Bhakhar, Devgarh, Hill, okay, this is first part. Second part, what? Rehan Basin, that is called Rehan Basin. Third one, Kanhar Basin, Kanhar Basin. Fourth one, Sarguja Basin, Sarguja Basin. And the last one, okay, Hasdo Rampur Basin. So our plateau of eastern Baghelkhand can be divided in 5 parts, okay. Just you need to remember all this section of this your plateau of eastern Baghelkhand. First is Chang, Bhakhar, Devgarh, Hill. Second, Rehan Basin, okay, okay. Second is Rehan Basin, and third is Kanhar Basin, and fourth is Sarguja Basin, and fifth is Hasdo Rampur Basin, okay. Mainly what you are saying, that will find here what? That basin area, okay. 4 different basin area that encompasses what? That hilly area and basin area also. So now let's jump to the division of what? Plateau of eastern Baghelkhand. So in such case, just we'll cover the first district also, okay. How many districts are covered by this plateau of eastern Baghelkhand? We'll see it first, and then we'll get the that each region also, okay, covered by plateau of eastern Baghelkhand. Let's take the how many districts are covered by this plateau of eastern Baghelkhand. Okay, this is what? Your Mahendragarh area and Korea. Now that has become, okay, separated, this one, okay, that has been separated here, this Korea, and this is what? Surajpur, and now here is what? This is Balrampur, this is your Balrampur. Now in the southern part, Sarguja, and this is your what? Korba, Okay, so just you count it, how many parts, that's sorry, how many districts are covered. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So now you come to know that how many districts, okay, just fall into this plateau of Eastern Bundelkhand, comes under this what, that first, that is sorry, Manendragarh area, Changbakar Manendragarh area. Second is Korea, Surajpur, Balrampur, Sarguja and Korba, last one. Okay, so we'll just get all the region in this 6 district. Okay, so how many districts are covered by this plateau of Eastern Bundelkhand? That 6. Okay, now let's take the each region also. Okay, Surajpur, now Sarguja, and this one is what, this is Korba. Okay, okay, we don't need to have the Jaspur and other district also. Now we are making what, that Changbakar first division, sorry, first section of this plateau of Eastern Bundelkhand, what, Changbakar Devgarh hill. So in such case, let's have the all region also, okay, into it. This is your Janakpur, Bharatpur area. Okay, you already know it, that already you might have known this. This was the princely state, okay, earlier, and the capital of the princely state of Changbakar, what is Bharatpur, Janakpur. Okay, this is your Manendragarh, what, Manendragarh area. Okay, this is complete, that your that Korea. Okay, now Pratappur, what is Pratappur, this is your Pratappur. Ambikapur, okay, this is your Ambikapur. Now Katghora, this is Katghora, and this is Korba. This is Korba. Ramanujganj, okay, and this is your Wadrapnagar. This is Wadrapnagar. Okay, now let's, okay, have the area of Changbakar Devgarh hill first. Changbakar Devgarh hill. In such case, just you need to, okay, get this point, Bharatpur, Janakpur area, and now you just come down to that, what, Manendragarh. Okay, after that you just go to this portion, and here, sorry, that Pratappur, and after that covering complete that Korea, and now need to just merge this point in the beginning. okay, or in your beginning point. So this part is what? This is called Changbhakar Devgarh hill. Okay, this portion is, okay, is what? Changbhakar Devgarh hills in the yellow part. Okay, now we'll come to that Rihand basin. In such case, okay, in such case Rihand basin in the Watrapnagar, okay, you know it very well that so many rivers also that, okay, comes and that will be merged into that Rihand river. Okay, actually the basin, how it is to be formed, so the main responsible river is what? Rihand river. So all tributary that will be merged into that primary river. So the structure, what? This kind of structure, okay, will be formed. Okay, so that is called the basin. Okay, just you take the very simple example also. Okay, usually you just wash your hands also in bath basin. So whichever direction that water comes, that will go down in the one direction, okay, in sink. So in same logic here also, that is called the bath basin, and this is called the Rihand basin, okay, that river basin. So all tributary that will be submerged into the primary river. This is your Rihand river. Okay, that Moran, Mahan, okay, so many that river, okay, will come to get merged here. So this portion, your Watrapnagar area, okay, why? Because the Moran river, okay, originated from Watrapnagar area. So this portion is called what? Rihand basin. Okay, now let's come to that, what? Kanhar basin. This is your second part also, it's been already completed. Now we'll jump into that. Kanhar basin. So in such case, that Kanhar, definitely Kanhar must be responsible for making the Kanhar region, sorry, Kanhar basin. This Ramanujganj area, okay, why? Because the Rihand, sorry, because the Kanhar river, okay, that will flow from this Samri part to Ramanujganj area. In such case, this Ramanujganj area, okay, you'll have to just skip this part. What? That eastern part of your Balrampur, that will be okay, left. So in such case, I'll just drawing this portion. Okay, so this portion is called what? Kanhar basin. Why we are leaving this part, this eastern part of Balrampur? Why? Just because of here is what? This is Lahsoon part, okay, Lahsoon part and Samri part, Lahsoon part and Samri part, okay. So that will come under which? That Chota Nagpur ka Pathar, okay, that plateau of Chota Nagpur Pathar. So this area, okay, will come under the Chota Nagpur plateau. Now let's jump to the Sarguja basin. Okay, what we already that studied here, that Rihand basin, there is one river, okay, apparently named what? That Rihand, that is very responsible for forming the basin. And Kanhar, okay, that is also known that Kanhar river is there. But Sarguja basin, in that case there is also Rihand river, okay. So that is also formed by Rihand river, but that is called what? Sarguja basin. In such case, you need to just, okay, you need to take what? That all the plain area of your Surajpur, your Prem Nagar, Ramanuj Nagar, I'm not saying that Ramanujganj. So that Prem Nagar, Ramanuj Nagar, that will be covered by this portion. This is the plain area. okay, and that your Ambikapur, Udaipur, Lakhanpur, like that, and this portion will be covered by what? Sarguja basin. So it will form what? Sarguja basin. Okay, this is your Sarguja basin. Now we come to that what? This is your Sarguja basin. Okay, but here just we are seeing here what that, why just we are skipping this part, that eastern and southern part of Sarguja. Why? Just because of that here is what? Main part. Here is the main part, and your that Lundra to Sitapur. Okay, here is what? Jarang part. So main part and your Jarang part, okay, only this portion will be left just by drawing your that what? Sarguja basin, and here is Lasun part, and here is what? Samri part. So this all part will come under to which? That plateau of Chota Nagpur Pathar, sorry, plateau of Chota Nagpur. So this portion will be skipped and this portion will be also left. Okay, now we'll come to that last portion, Hasdo Rampur basin. In such case, Hasdo Rampur basin, and what is just that suggesting us? Hasdo Rampur basin, Hasdev Nadi. Okay, that Hasdev river. Okay, so that is the main that primary river, Hasdev river, which forms what? That Hasdo Rampur basin. In such case, you will need to what? Okay, from Maneन्द्rgarh, okay, you'll have to go from Maneन्द्rgarh to Katghora and that upper side, okay, northern side of that Korba, and this okay, that northern side of your that Korba, this upper side is Rampur. Okay, so that will be covered by this area. Okay, Hasdo Rampur basin, that is called what? Hasdo Rampur basin. So there is the main primary river is Hasdo river, and that will form what? Hasdo Rampur basin. Okay, now we already that is studied all the 5 section of this plateau of Eastern Bagelkhand. Okay, let's revise all this section again. Okay, this is what? Okay, we'll take the yellow color for highlighting this. Just this one. This is your what? This is what? Chang Bhakar Devgarh Hill. Okay, this is your first part. Now, Rihand basin, Watrapnagar area. Okay, this is your second division, and now we come to that third. This is your Ramanujganj area. Okay, that is called what? Kanhar basin. Okay, okay, let me write all this, that section name, Kanhar basin. Okay, that will form what? Kanhar basin. Kanhar river, and this one is what? Sarguja basin. Okay, and this portion, and now come to the last one is what? Hasdo Rampur basin. Okay, Hasdo Rampur basin. So we already that completed all division of plateau of Eastern Bagelkhand. We already seen the your plateau of Eastern Bagelkhand. Okay, and here we already divided that plateau of Eastern Bagelkhand in 4 parts, and this your Chang-Bakar Devgarh hills. Okay, plateau of Eastern Bagelkhand can be divided also in 5 parts: Chang-Bakar Devgarh hills, Rihan basin, Kanhar basin, Sarguja basin, and your Hasdo Rampur basin. Okay, we'll take this all that division of plateau of Eastern Bagelkhand one by one. Okay, in next lecture. So if you like it, just do comments and do any suggestion in comment box. So very okay, thank you very much.